I'm Anil Kumar, sharing with you a test question on finding limits at infinity. The question here is, determine limit when x approaches infinity for square root of 3x minus 1 plus 2 divided by square root of 5x plus 1. Now, as you know, the degree of numerator and denominator in this case is half, both the same. So we expect the leading coefficients to be the answer, the ratio of leading coefficient, right? That is what we expect the answer to be. Let us see how to really solve it, right? So let's rewrite this question. It is limit x approaches infinity, and we have square root of 3x minus 1 plus 2 divided by square root of 5x plus 1. Now, within the square root, we can divide each term by, or let's take x common. Let's take x common. Or what we can do here is, we can divide both by square root x. So we'll divide, let us say, we'll divide numerator and denominator, by square root x. We'll do that, right? Both will divide by square root x. Then what do we get? So we get limit x approaches infinity. So when you divide by square root x, what you get here is within square root 3 minus 1 over square root x plus 2 over square root x, right? And the denominator you get within square root 5 plus 1 over x, right? So I'm sorry, it is not square root x. This is just x, right? We have taken it inside, so it's square root x. So that is what you get, 1 over x. Now as x approaches infinity, all these three terms approaches 0. So as x approaches infinity, 1 over x approaches 0, 2 over square root x approaches 0, right? So both of them, right, these terms approach 0, and therefore we could write this as limit x approaches infinity square root 3. So basically it is 3 minus 0 plus 0. Let me rewrite this for clarity. 5 plus 0, and that is equals to square root 3 over square root of 5, or square root of 3 over 5, right? So that becomes the answer for the given question. I hope it makes sense. Thank you and all the best.